here we go, rounding numbers. Now, today, we're going to be rounding numbers to the nearest 10. And now this is the rounding number trick, or as my teacher calls it, roll. You're not my teacher. Okay, so if it ends in a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4, it rounds down. If it ends in a 5, a 6, a 7, or a 7, an 8, or a 9, it rounds up. Okay, why am I turning to the back of that? Okay, so he's gonna be quiet. Now, let's go. So what we would do, I'm gonna round a 1-digit number, which is going to be 7. 7. Okay, now you've got it. 7. What? So which would it round
7
up
rounds
to?
up, 7 becomes 10.
So 7 will round up to 10. Now, how did you know that? Remember that.
There's a trick.
Thank you. Now, would you like to explain that trick, or should I?
No, you can do it. It's your homework.
Okay. So let's have 0 at the beginning of the number line. Then we're having 10 at the beginning of the number line. Because what we're going to do now.
I'm scared at all.
So 0 and 1, that will equal 1. And 1, that will equal 2. And 1, that will equal 3. And 1, that will equal 4. And 1, that will equal 5. And 1, that would equal 6. And 1, it will equal 7. And 1, it will equal 8. And 1, it will equal 9. And 1, it will equal 10. So, we've got that written down. So to 10. Now, we didn't want 10. So, we would find 7 in that number line. So, we got 7. So then you know that you will just so cross out the 1, 2, 3, 4.
You've done it again.
5.
Oh, we're back.
And 6. And then we would think about and the 0. And we would think about how many numbers we crossed out. So that would equal 7. So that way we know that 0 and 7. That 0 and 7 equals 7. But then we would take we'll take 10 away from 10. So take 1 equals 9. Take 1. Why did I write take? 12 equals 6. Dad, so what I want you to do is just warm their brains up while I'm doing this.
Right, go like that. Warm your brains.
Not like that,
Yeah.
and we get their brains ready to do this.
Are you ready? What is 9? Should that round up or should that round down?
And why?
Don't worry, Don will tell you in a minute. What about 23? Does that round up
We haven't
or does
moved
that round
to
down?
2-digit numbers yet.
We have.
Well, yes. If you're really smart, you would already move to it.
I'm not really smart, I'm just hoping you are.
Yeah, well, I am. So then we would find 7 again. Then we would cross out 10, 9, 8. Then we got 7. So that we crossed out 3. So we know that it rounds up to 10. Like this.
They can't see.
Yeah, it's too bright for them.
No, I can't see. Oh,
Okay, now a 2-digit number
will this ride never end?
will just be the same, but you would concentrate on the last number and the beginning number. So that's the tens and the units. So
Right.
that's the same, but you just concentrate on both of the numbers. Now with the hundreds, you're going to find this a bit too tricky. So if you're smart
I'll
enough,
close my eyes then.
if you're smart enough, you would find out the answer. Okay, you can open your eyes now.
Oh, good, I've missed the hundreds.
Okay.
I'll just stick with the easy stuff.
Okay. For example, if you got 145, what we would do is we would split the hundreds. Well, first, we know we only pay attention to the hundreds, which is 100, and the tens, which is 40. So then, go.
All right, you do this. I'll answer the phone.
Okay. So then we would add all of them together. That means hundreds, tens, and units.
Hello?
5. So then what we would do
Hello?
is we would think about the
There's
tens
one there.
and the units. No, the tens and the hundreds. Now we would do an arrow down. Say, would it round up or down? So it rounds down with that arrow. Then we say it rounds, what number it rounds down to? 100.
Don't finish it because that was getting low.
Yeah. Because it ends in 40. Well, the tens is 40. So, now all I'm going to do is give you some to do at home. And then once you've got those, maybe you're a superstar. So, 125, 196, 263, 222, 303, 377, 109, 456, 9, 56, 28, 24, 42, 52, 33, and 1. And I'm just going to... So those are the ones that I want you to do at home. You finding it a bit tricky? Just watch this video again. Thank you for watching my video. And what would my dad like to say? Ah! Okay, bye now.